Okay, so I got a good one for you today. I have been asked about filling and what do I do, so I'm going to show you here. I started working on this. This is a 2021 Ford Explorer. And as you can see, I have some real deep pitting going on. I thought I could just grind it down, and I probably could, but for the purpose of the video, I'm going to get it really close and I'm going to show you how I fill these really deep gouges to make them look good as new. Alright, so before I sand, just going to let you see I have dremeled to what I feel is good and not smooth, but kind of the level I want to play with. These deep gouges are still there. You can see our deep gouges. So now I'm going to sand it all smooth. That would look better if I would have plugged my sander up. Okay, so I didn't bore you with watching me sand the entire rim, but as you can see, we still have those pits. And now I will show you what I use to fill them. So I use a glue that I got when I did interiors that helps glue leather and plastic back together. I'm going to use a razor blade to smooth it down, you'll see. And this is called a bond kicker. Now, I'm not going to give away exactly where I get them and what it's called just yet. If I can get an affiliate link one day, maybe I will. But this is what I use. You can use any kind of filler you want or you need. But the reason I use this is because when I spray the accelerator on it, it dries instantly. Let me show you. So I'm just going to put a little bit in all our spots. So I've got 4 decent sized spots I'm working with. I'm going to take the razor blade and just smooth it right out. Right on the edge. All the little cuts. Okay, now when I do that, the reason I use this, you spray it, let it set for about 2 seconds in the sun. You don't have to do it in the sun, I'm just saying that. And it dries instantly. So I'm leaving this in real time. That is completely dry. It is super fast. Now I know you won't be able to tell on video, but that is completely smooth and filled in, and because it's clear you can still see our spots, but they are flat and they are ready for paint. When I paint them, you'll understand exactly how flat they are. So here we are, final step. Little gloss. Now we're good as new. 2021 Ford Explorer.